everyone, I am Martin Grimiano from Bigeli Training. So for today, i-discuss ko sa inyo ang automotive tools and equipment. First, pliers. Pliers are hand tools used for the grip and holding functions of handling. They are commonly used to blend, twist, cut, or manipulate wires, nails, and other materials. Different types of pliers, such as needle nose or line pliers, are designed for a specific task, providing precision and strength. Second, ball pen or ball pen hammer is a type of hammer with a grounded or ball on the one side of the head. Its primary use of metalwork tasks such as shaping or blending metal and setting rivets. The flat side is used for general hammering, while the rounded side is ideal for striking and forming metal without damaging its surface. For our third, hacksaw. A hacksaw is a tool used for cutting metal, plastic, and other materials with a segregated blade. It is typically used in tasks that require increased strength cuts, such as pipe cutting or trimming small parts. Screwdrivers. A screwdriver is a tool used to turn screws, either tightening or loosening. Then, it is come of various types, such as flathead and Phillips, too much different screw shapes and size. Next, files. Files are tools used to smoothing, shaping, and finishing surface of metal, wood, or plastic. They are commonly used to remove small amounts of materials to create a smooth and surface or image. Next, rubber mallet. A rubber mallet is a tool used to strengthen check without damaging or wearing the surface. It is commonly used to tasks like assembling furniture, fitting and parts, or tapping delicate materials where standard hammer would cause damage. Adjustable wrench. An adjustable wrench is a tool used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts of various sizes and adjusting the job. Within it is the versatile and commonly used in plumbing, automotive, and general maintenance tasks. Next one, Allen wrench. An Allen wrench, also known as a hex keys, are tools used to drive screw and bolts without hexagonal sockets in their heads. They are commonly used in assembling furniture, vehicles, a bicycle, and machinery that feature hexagonal fasteners. Utility knife. A utility knife is a versatile cutting tool used of scaling through materials like cardboard, plastic, and etc. Its furniture are rectangular, then can be like replaced with one, make it ideal on general purpose cutting tasks. Clay bar. A clay bar, also known as crowbar, is tool use of levering, frying, and removing nails and other fasteners. It is commonly used of demonstrations, constructions, and woodworking to separate materials or break apart objects. Torch wrench. A torch wrench is a tool used to apply a specific amount of torque to a fasteners ensure it is tightened or correct specification. It is commonly used to automatic, fractionary, and constructions work to prevent over tighten and or another tiny bolts and nuts. Next one, sockets. Sockets are tools used with a brackets or wrench to tighten or loosen. Nuts are bolts or various size. They are come of different shapes and size of specific fasteners, providing a secure grip or efficient fastening task. Spark plug sockets. Spark plug sockets is a separate, specialized tools used to remove and install spark plug to engines, its future and rubber insert or magnet to securely hold the spark plug making. It's easier to work in Titan engine and compartments. Funnel. A funnel is a tool used of transfer liquid or fine grain substance into containers with small openings. It helps to prevent spills and ensure a control from or flow of materials when operating. Next, vice grip. Vice grip, also known as locking pliers, are adjustable pliers that can loop onto an object, providing a strong grip without the need of constant pressure. They are commonly used in situations where a firm hold is needed, such as claim, bending, or removing strap fasteners. Our 16, wire cutting and scrapers. Wire cutting are tools used to cut through wires and cables with impressions. Wire scraper are used to remove the insulation from electrical wires, expansions, and conductive materials for connections or repairs. Wire shocks. Wire shocks are devices placed against the wheels of vehicle to prevent it from rolling or moving. They are commonly used in parking, during maintenance, or in incline to ensure the vehicle stay stationary and secure. Wire brush. Wire brush are tools used to clean, smooth, or remove rust and debris from surface, typically metal. They are commonly used in welding, construction, and maintenance tasks to prepare surface for painting or further process. Rivet gun. A rivet gun is a tool used of inserts and surface rivets, which are fasteners using to join two or more materials together. This is commonly used in constructions, manufacturing, and automotive application to create strong, permanent connections. Next, pneumatic wrenches. Pneumatic wrenches is a power tool driven by compressed air used to tighten and loosen fastening quickly. It is commonly used in automotive and mechanical work for its efficiency in access, time, space, and delivering high torque. Impact wrench. An impact wrench is a power tool that delivers high torque with output to tighten or loosen bolts or nuts quickly. It's a common use in automotive constructions and industrial application where high force is needed to break loose fasteners. Next, retracting saw. A retracting saw is a power tool that uses the back and front motion of the blade to cut through various materials such as wood, metal, and plastic. It is commonly used of dimension construction and remodeling tasks for its versatility and ability to make quick road cuts. Angle grinder. An angle grinder is a power tool used of cutting, grinding, polishing, and sanding surface. It is commonly used in metalworks, constructions, and renovation tasks to smooth or shape materials like metal, stone, and concrete. Next one, electrical polisher. An electrical polisher is a power tool used to smooth and shine surface, typically on vehicle or furniture. By applying a polishing compound, it is commonly used to restore paint, remove scratches, and achieve a glossy finish on surface like car exterior or countertops. Next one, belt sander. A belt sander is a power tool used to smooth and level large surface by sanding with a continuous flow and obtuse metal or material. It's commonly used in woodworking and construction for tasks like shape, smoothing edge, and removing old finish from wood or other materials. Next one, jigsaw. A jigsaw is a power tool used for making increased survey and strength cuts in wood, metal, and other materials. Circular saw. A circular saw is a power tool used for making strength cuts in wood, metal, plastic, and other materials with the rotating blade. Battery tester. A battery tester is a device used to measure and charge the voltage of a battery, helping determine if its functions properly or needs replacement. Multimeter. A multimeter is an electrical testing tool used to measure voltage, current, and resistance in circuit and electrical components. Next, circuit tester. A circuit tester is a tool used to check the continuity, voltage, and overall functionality of electrical circuits and components. Another one, fuel pressure tester. A fuel pressure tester is a diagnostic tool used to measure the fuel pressure in a vehicle fuel system to ensure it is operating within the proper range. Next one, oil pressure checking kit. An oil pressure checking kit is used for measuring the oil pressure in the engine, helping diagnose potential issue with the oil pump or circulation system. Check oil oil pressure check kit. The next one, battery charger and jumper. A battery charger is a use of the charge in vehicle or device battery, while a jumper is used to jump start a dead battery is a connecting it into another battery for a boost of power. Next, air compressor. An air compressor is a device that converts power into stored energy in the form of compressed air. Use of powering tools, inflating tiers, or clean surface. Next one, vehicle valve. A vehicle valve is mechanical device used to raise vehicle off the ground, providing access for maintenance, repair, or inspirations underneath the vehicle. Jack and jack stands. The jack and jack stands used to lift of vehicle off the ground for repairs or maintenance, while jack stands are used to circularly support the vehicle once it is raised. Next, oil drain and candy is used to collect and store use of engine oil during an oil change, while a candy is a comfortable contained use of transport the oil drain for disposal or recycling. Brake lamp. A brake lamp is a machine used of surface brake rotors and drums, ensures smooth and even surface for proper brake functions. Hydraulic floor jack. A hydraulic floor jack is a lighting tool that uses hydraulic pressure to raise heavy vehicles off the ground of maintenance or repair tasks. And for our last slide, here is the inflator. Tear inflator. A tear inflator is a device used of file tears with air ensure they are properly inflated to the recommended pressure for safe driving. Thank you for listening for our explanation for automotive tools and equipment. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.